When is the force experienced by a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field largest? We know that a current carrying conductor behaves like a magnet, and when it is placed in the field of another magnet, it experiences a force. The direction of force experienced by current carrying conductor can be found by applying Fleming's left-hand rule. If a magnetic field direction is bottom to top and current direction in the conductor is into the plane of the screen, then by Fleming's left-hand rule, the current carrying conductor experiences a force outward. But if direction of current is reversed, the direction of force experienced by the current carrying conductor also reverses. In this case, it moves inward to the magnet. And hence, direction of force experienced by current carrying conductor when it is placed in the field of a magnet depends upon two factors. One, direction of magnetic field. Two, the direction of current in the conductor. But magnitude of force or amount of jerk that a current carrying conductor experiences when it is placed in the field of a magnet depends upon four factors. One, on the field strength of the magnet in which the current carrying conductor is placed. Two, the magnitude of current in the conductor. Three, the length of the conductor that is placed in the magnetic field. Four, theta. Theta is the angle of inclination between the current carrying conductor and the magnetic field, and hence magnitude of force can be calculated using the formula F is equal to BIL sine theta. If theta is 0, that is angle between the current carrying conductor and magnetic field is 0. That means the current carrying conductor is placed parallel to the magnetic field direction. Then force experienced by the current carrying conductor will be F is equal to BIL sine 0. Since sine 0 value is 0, force experienced will be 0 Newton. That means if a current carrying conductor, which itself is a magnet, is placed in the field of another magnet, but it is placed parallel to the magnetic field, then the current carrying conductor does not experience any force. If angle between the current carrying conductor and the magnetic field is increased from 0 to, say, for example 45 degree, then force experienced by the current carrying conductor will be BIL by root 2. That means it is more than the previous value. And if the angle between the current carrying conductor and magnetic field is increased from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, that means the current carrying conductor is placed perpendicular to the magnetic field, then force experienced by the current carrying conductor will be BIL sine 90. Sine 90 degree is 1, which is the maximum value of sine theta. And hence force experienced will be maximum, that is B into I into L, which is the product of magnitude of a field strength, magnitude of current and length of the conductor. So force will be experienced maximum when the current carrying conductor is placed perpendicular to the magnetic field lines. Therefore, when does a current carrying conductor experience maximum force? A current carrying conductor will experience maximum force or maximum jerk or throw when it is placed perpendicular to the magnetic field of the magnet.